Hey friends, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through my project life cards and doing a quick declutter here. I'm going to have you on extra fast forward just so you can see my process. I'll talk you through a little bit of it, but it's pretty simple. Basically, I've been on a journey of minimizing my craft supplies for a long time, several years now. I have a whole playlist on my channel about decluttering my craft room and reorganizing it and giving it a makeover. And this is one of those times when I was going through my project life cards and decided, hey, it's time to get rid of some. And I will have an updated video where I get rid of even more coming in a short while because I just did this process again. But this video was actually recorded a couple years ago. You can see I have this gorgeous organizer. I had my now fiance, then boyfriend, make it for me out of plywood, and it's just nailed together and also using some wood glue. I love that Project Life card organizer so much, but after several years of having it stacked full of cards like this, it began to fall apart. So I'm really glad I've got it downsized out of this container now, but you will see in this video everything I'm able to get rid of. I'm going through all of my cards, and a lot of what I'm getting rid of is duplicates. So Project Life cards used to come with like 10 of the same exact card design, and then they pared it down to like 8 of the same exact card design or 4 of the same exact card design. And so I'm getting rid of a lot of my repetitions, only keeping 2, or in the case of some of my favorite patterns, I will keep several of them if I think I'm going to use them, but getting rid of a lot of duplicates that I know I probably will not use. The process of decluttering seems to get easier every single time that I do it. I haven't done Project Life in a couple years now. I tend to use these cards in mini albums. I do still have a couple of Project Life albums that I need to catch up on for past years, so keeping them around for those as well. I just love pretty stationery. Pretty paper always has my heart and is a struggle for me when decluttering. But I'm trying to be realistic about what I'm going to use, what I love, what fits in with my other supplies. You'll see in some cases I'll take a Project Life card and hold it up to some of my others in the organizer, and I'm just trying to figure out, does this fit in with my overall style in Project Life? Will I easily be able to create a spread with this? A lot of things are easy to use in theory, but when you have this many of them, it's just hard to use them. It's hard to get anything done when you have decision paralysis and stash overwhelm because you just have too much in your craft room, and projects seem so big and they always end up unfinished and too many craft supplies. That is something I really struggle with and struggled with in the past, and so getting rid of things always makes me feel a little bit better and gives me an extra boost of creativity to use up some of the things that I have that I absolutely love that I decided to keep, and really focusing on not hoarding things, actually using them, and if I don't think I ever will use them or I might not have an occasion to use them, then it's probably time to get rid of it. So you can see I store my Project Life cards here according to color for the most part. I've got black and white stuff together. I've got pinks and reds together. I've got blue, teal, mint, and green together, I believe. I've got yellow, gold, and craft colors and brown together. Keeping it really simple here, basically just color families. Here's the warm colors, here's the cool colors, here's my black and white. And I like to store things that way because I tend to pick out different colors in my photographs when I'm doing Project Life and pick cards that really pull out those colors and complement them. So this has been a good way for me to organize my Project Life cards, and I hope you are enjoying seeing this process of what I'm going through and getting rid of, what I'm keeping, and how I'm organizing it. Okay, so we have finally reached the end, and this is what I am left with. These are the cards that I am getting rid of, and this is everything that I'm keeping. I was hoping to pare down a little more so I could downsize the container that I am storing these in. But overall, I feel like I'm getting rid of a decent amount. This whole thing, which was filled with 2x2 cards, it now fits right here, all of the 2x2 cards. So I'm getting rid of this container. And I've got my 4x4, my 3x3, and my 2x2 cards, all of my 4x6 cards, and then the rest of this is my 3x4 cards. And these are from all of the collections and kits and everything that I have ever gotten. These are the ones that I have decided to keep. Now, I will say that the more you go through the decluttering and the more you become practiced with getting rid of things, the easier it gets. So hopefully down the road in 6 months from now, I can revisit these and see if I want to keep all the ones that I'm keeping today. But I'm getting rid of a respectable number here. So this is everything that I am getting rid of, quite a lot that I'm getting rid of here today. So I'm not sure, actually, looking at this, how it all used to fit in this container. But I feel good about what I'm getting rid of, and I'm excited about the stuff that I'm keeping. And I hope this process has inspired you to downsize your stash a little bit. If you're overwhelmed with your Project Life supplies and you're not doing enough Project Life because of how much work it is, I would definitely recommend going through your stash and getting rid of some of your stuff. The less choices you have to make, the easier it is, the quicker it is to get your pages together. So that's it for me today. I hope you are feeling inspired to downsize your stash if it is overwhelming you, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the fun, creative stuff that I share. Bye!